So, we just got back from a trip down to Academy. Buy some fishing lures and stuff for my son and I. Go fishing tomorrow. And I saw something I've never seen before. Now, you OGs will remember when we used to open the mystery fishing boxes, mystery tackle boxes, from MTV. They've got one I've never seen before. I didn't even know they had it. The Swimbait Sensation mystery tackle box. I'm not giving this one away, boys. This one's all mine. Let's see what we have. Alright, we got some Googan hooks with the underswim. Some Weston Shad Tees Hollow. The Lunker Hunt Swimbito, which is, I don't know what pattern that is. Perch. I don't know how well that would do for me. The Weston is a doesn't say. We'll see how well it works. I've got one of these already, but that's okay. It is a violet brim bullgill. I'll probably lose it. A 10,000 fish headhunter in the Gizzard Wizard. A Fish Lab tackle. Doesn't tell me what color this is, but it's a sinking yellow and green and orange fish. I don't know how well that's going to work. The Bio Minnow. And of course the sticker. And a pack of Mustad ball jig heads. $39. I guess that's a pretty decent deal. That's not horrible. Bluegills go for a lot of money. These 10,000 fish headhunters are not cheap. I don't know about the rest of the stuff. The Googan stuff's not horribly expensive. I think the only thing here that might not work would be this, but I'm gonna try it. It's awfully big for where I fish. Well, I can't get one out without ripping stick. Boys, that is a big swim bait. It's already cut for the hook to go through, so that's nice. But maybe. I don't know if there's that big a bass in the lake I fish usually, but we'll find out, won't we? Did you guys know this box existed? Because I had no clue that this box even existed. Never seen it before. But I guess we'll find out if any of it works. I'm going to take some of it with me tomorrow. I'm going to take all of it with me tomorrow. And we'll try our luck on it and see if we can catch anything. I'm also going to do a lot of microfishing tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to take the camera or not. Probably not. But I'm not that good a fisherman. Really not. So I don't usually take the camera because it's kind of a boring video to have a half hour of me just casting out on the kayak. Which, speaking of which, I bought a new mounting system, rack system for the wall in the garage for the kayaks, so I've got to go put that up now. I will catch you next time.